All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at something that came in one of my quarterly Nomadik boxes, and that is the BeachBox. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC items, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Please take that first step and click subscribe. All right, so today, if you are familiar with my channel, I get Nomadik boxes. I get monthly boxes and quarterly boxes, and I go through them and unbox them for you guys so you can see what comes in each box. Well, in I believe it was our spring box, we got something called the BeachBox. All right, so we got this, and this is what it looks like. And I knew what it was, I knew how to use it. However, I had to test it. So me and my family went to the beach a couple weeks ago. This still got sand on it. If you can see that, still got sand all over it. But really, this is designed for cleanup, to get in your car after your adventure, whether that be being out hiking and you need to kind of shower off before you head home, or going to the beach and having sand all over you and you need to rinse off before you get in the car. That's kind of what this is designed for. But I can tell you what we used it for and how it worked out amazing with 4 kids. There were 4 kids, 4 adults, and so we used this and thoroughly enjoyed it. So this holds 1.3 gallons of water. All right, it's essentially a pump sprayer with a neoprene cover. This is neoprene. It is black for a reason, which means if you put cold water in it and you set this at the beach, it's going to warm that water up. You can put hot water in it, and this neoprene will keep it warm. It's not rated for boiling water, but you can put hot water in it. So this right here is your pressure release valve. You pump this just like a normal pump sprayer. Pump it up. You unscrew this to put your H2O in. Unscrew this here. Put your water in there. Put your cap back on. Like I said, it'll hold 1.3 gallons of water. There is a there's a fill line on this side, so it tells you kind of where to stop, so it doesn't overflow when you put your cap in. That's what that max line's for. So you tighten this up, and then you essentially just pump. You have this hose right here is cold, but it's 7 foot long, so you've got some reach on it. This thing, when it's full, it weighs about, I'd say 12 to 15 pounds. So you're going to want to have like a wagon or a buggy or something like that. And then you've got a regular garden nozzle. Garden nozzle. Had a little pressure in there. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings that you can adjust. So you can go from jet to shower to mist to center to flat and back to jet. And really, you pump it up, you spray and rinse. It's got a quick disconnect here, like that, and this is just threaded in here. This is just an add-on piece that's threaded in there. It's in there tight, and I can't get it with my hand. There's still water in the hose. You got water coming out. So if anything were to happen to this, you could unscrew this and put another nozzle on there, but it's just a quick disconnect there. It clicks in and locks in. Had no leaking, no problems with this whatsoever. It worked out really well, but I'm gonna tell you how we used it. Hey, are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. We actually stayed in a condo that had a shower right beside beach access. All right, so we didn't have to use this to rinse off to go back to the room. We used this on the beach to rinse those little hands off before they reached into the cooler, or before they wanted to eat a sandwich, or before they wanted to eat chips. Use this to rinse them off with clean water. That way they were able to eat and not get sand in their mouth, not have sand all over them, that kind of thing. So it was really nice for that. And I can tell you, if you have kids and you go to the beach, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This made it to where we didn't have to waste a half a bottle of water and rinse their hands off. The water was there to drink. We actually filled this up at the shower station. Once we left the condo, we're headed to the beach. We stopped at the shower station, filled this bad boy up, put it in the wagon, and took it down to the beach. And the whole time we were there, it worked out very, very well. Even my kids were using it to rinse their hands off. So good product. Highly recommend this if you have kids. So the bottom is kind of funky. It's not flat, but it makes it where it sits better. We had no problem with it tipping over. Even with it full, you can pull this hose and it didn't want to tip over on us. Dimensions on this, I have them written down. Let me find them. Dimensions on this, it is 17 inches tall, 9 inches wide, and 7 inches deep. So it is 17 high, 9 this way. You can see it's not square. So this is the widest. It's 9 this way and 7 this way. So they have BeachBox actually has other products. This retails at $120, and the quarterly box for Nomadik is $150. So I think we really got our money's worth out of that Nomadik box. But when I looked this up for filming, it was actually on sale for a little less than $100. So I'll have a link to the BeachBox in the description below, as well as Nomadik. If you want to get over and check out Nomadik, it's a subscription service. You get boxes. According to what you sign up for, you can get boxes. So this is a really awesome item. Where we're at, we're a good ways from the beach, so I didn't know when I opened it up how much we'd actually use it. We try to go to the beach about once a year because it is a good drive, and it turned out to be something that we're going to take every single time. I promise. This will be in the beach gear, put up to the side for when we go to the beach. And if I can think of other uses for it, then it'll definitely get brought out then. But definitely for the beach, this is a really awesome thing to have. And yeah, go check it out. BeachBox. Have a link in the description below. And if you're not already subscribed, I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you're notified when new videos drop. And yeah, so there you go. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the comments, or either I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.